Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous video we have discussed exercise 6a and 6b. In those exercises we were doing how to factorize polynomials. In 6th a you have learnt, that was type 1, that how to factorize polynomial if we have common monomial factor. For example, 3xy plus y square. We have common monomial factor which is y, so we will take y common. This will become 3x plus y. So this was type 1 which we have discussed in exercise 6a. In 6b we have discussed type 2. In this type we have discussed how to factorize the polynomial if we have common binomial factor. अगर binomial factor common होता है then how we can factorize them. For example, 3x plus y plus x plus y square. Now we have common binomial factor which is x plus y. This is common. So now in the bracket this will be 3 plus x plus y. Right? This type 1 and type 2 we have discussed in previous exercises. Now in today's class let's discuss type 3. Right? In this type we will arrange the terms of the polynomial to factorize them. For example, if we have a square plus bc plus ab plus ac. Right? In this a square and in this ac we can take a common, right? So we will arrange them like this: a square plus ac together plus ab plus bc. Right? Now from these two terms we will take a common, so this will become a plus c. From these two terms we will take b common, so it will become a plus c. Now in this term and in this term we have common binomial factor. This is like type 2 now, right? So we will take this common binomial factor outside the bracket, a plus c. Now in the bracket we left with a plus b. So this will be your answer. Now we will start exercise 6a which is based on these type of questions. So let's start. So in exercise 6c we will factorize the polynomials. First question is ax square plus by square plus bx square plus ay square. First of all, look for the term which have something common. ax square and by square have nothing common. दोनों में कुछ भी common नहीं है. So we will take ax square and bx square together. उनको एक साथ लिख लेंगे. So write them: ax square plus bx square, because both these terms have x square, right? Plus now keep the remaining terms together. इन दोनों को एक साथ लिख देते हैं. And these two terms have y square common, right? So write it here: by square plus ay square. Now from first two terms take x square common. So write here x square. In the bracket there will be a plus b plus, from these two terms take y square common. So if we will take y square common in the bracket we will have with b plus a. Right? Now this is like type 2. We have common binomial factor b plus a or a plus b. A plus b is also equals to b plus a now. So we can also write it as x square a plus b plus y square. This can be written as b plus a is also equals to a plus b. Right? This is commutative property. So now you can take a plus b common. If we will take a plus b common in this term, we will have x square, and in this term we will have y square. So keep it in the bracket, x square plus y square. So this is your answer. Next, question number 3, we have px plus qx plus py plus qy. Now first two terms have x common and last two terms have y common. So similarly we will take x as well as y common. So from first two terms take x common. It will become p plus q. From next two terms take y common. It will become p plus q. Now as type 2, this is the common binomial factor p plus q, p plus q. So you will take p plus q outside the bracket and in the bracket it will be x plus y. So this is your answer. In question number 5 we have x square minus ax minus bx minus ab. Students, make it plus ab. Also correct it in your book, right? Now from first two terms you can take x common. So take here x. This was x raised to the power 2, but you have taken x common. It means x raised to the power 1. So one power is still remaining now. So write it x raised to the power 1 minus from ax you have taken x common. So what you have now? A in the bracket. From these two terms take b common. B common ले लेते हैं minus b. But student, one more thing. You also have kept minus sign outside the bracket. It means अगर देखा जाए you have taken minus b common because minus b outside the bracket है, right? So due to minus sign, sign of both the terms inside the bracket will be changed, right? If you have taken b from bx, bx में से b common ले लिया, what you have? X, and that was of minus sign and now this will be of plus sign, right? Now from ab you have taken b common, what you have? A, and that was of plus sign. Now this will be of minus sign. Why? Because outside the bracket with the b you have minus sign too. You have taken minus b common. Clear? Now these two polynomials are same. These binomial factors are same because this can be written as x. X raised to the power 1 is also equals to x. So take it common, x minus a. Now in the bracket you have this x and this minus b. X minus b. So this is your answer. Next question, question number 7. 8pr plus 4qr plus 6ps plus 3qs. Right? Now from first two terms you can take 4 as well as r common, right? 4 भी common ले सकते हैं and r भी. So take 4r common. Now from this 8 you have taken 4 common. So you left with 4 2s are 8. You will write here in the bracket 2. You also have taken r. You left with p. Plus from this term you have taken 4 common and the r common. What we have now? Just q we have. Plus from these two terms you can take 3 common because both the numbers are divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. And you can also take s common. So take 3s common. Now in bracket you have 3 2s are 6. S you have taken, so you left with p. So write here p plus there was only 3 and which you have taken common. So you will not write this 3. You will not write this s because you have taken it common outside the bracket. So now you left with q. This 2p plus q and this 2p plus q both are common binomial factors. So take it common, 2p plus q. In bracket you have now 4r plus 3s, right? So this is your answer. Next question, question number 10. This is 10pq minus 3rq minus 10ps plus 3rs, right? From first two terms you can take q common. First two terms में से आप क्या कॉमन लेंगे? q, right? So in the bracket there will be 10p minus 3r, right? From second two terms you can take s common. So take s common, minus s. One more thing students, minus sign you are also taking outside the bracket. When you take minus sign outside the bracket, the sign of both the terms inside the bracket will be changed, because एक तरीके से आप देखा जाए तो आपने माइनस एस कॉमन लिया है, राइट? सो अगर आप माइनस एस कॉमन ले रहे हैं, इट विल बिकम प्लस 10p and this was of plus sign, and now this will be of minus sign, minus 3r, राइट? ध्यान रखिएगा, जैसे ही ब्रैकेट के बाद माइनस साइन कॉमन आ गया, जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर टर्म्स हैं उनके साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. नाउ these two terms are common, right? Now this factor is common, this binomial factor 10p minus 3r. So take it common, 10p minus 3r, right? So now you're left with q minus s. Clear? This is your answer. Next, ab square minus bc square minus ab plus c square. Students, if you observe, you have ab square and ab, so you can take ab common from these two terms. So I am writing them together, right? आप चाहे तो इन टू टर्म्स में भी b कॉमन ले सकते हैं, but that will be easy. So I am taking ab square minus ab together, right? Minus bc square plus c square, right? From first two terms take ab common. First two terms में से अगर हम ab common ले लेंगे, we will left with, this was ab square. It means a की पावर क्या है 1, b की पावर क्या है 2, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? ये ab होल का स्क्वायर नहीं है, a की पावर 1 ही है. आपने a की पावर 1 ऑलरेडी बाहर ले लिया है, b की पावर 2 थी, यू हैव टेकन 1, सो 1 is still left ना. So b raised to the power 1 is still left, or you can simply write b minus this is ab and you already have taken ab outside. आपने ab को ऑलरेडी बाहर ले लिया है, so ab 1s are ab, 1 will be remaining here, minus from this and this you can take c square common in the bracket. Now students, with c square you also have taken minus sign. It means अगर देखा जाए तो आपने minus c square common ले लिया. Clear? And if we have minus sign outside the bracket, if you have taken minus sign common, sign of both the terms inside the bracket will be changed. जो माइनस बी सी स्क्वायर था उसमें से अगर आपने माइनस और सी स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लिया, यू विल लेफ्ट विथ प्लस बी, राइट? सी स्क्वायर में से आपने सी स्क्वायर कॉमन लिया, बट यू ऑल्सो हैव टेकन माइनस साइन, सो इसका साइन क्या हो जाएगा? चेंज. सी स्क्वायर ही था, सी स्क्वायर ही कॉमन ले लिया, यू विल लेफ्ट विद 1. सी स्क्वायर 1 सा सी स्क्वायर. नाउ दीज टू बायनोमियल टर्म्स आर इक्वल, राइट? सो यू विल टेक देम कॉमन, b minus 1. So in the bracket you left with ab, this ab and this minus c square, right? So right here minus c square. This is your answer. Next question, question number 14. This is 2axy square plus 10x plus 3ay square plus 15. Now from this term and this term we have a and y square common, so we will take it common. इनको एक साथ रख लेते हैं. 2axy square plus 3ay square plus 10x plus 15, right? from first two terms I am taking a and y square common, right? 2a में से अगर हम a common लेंगे it will become 2, right? Now you also have taken y square. Students, see like this. If you have 2axy square, you have taken a y square common. a की पावर 1 थी, a की पावर 1 ही आपने कॉमन ले ली. y raised to the power 2 was there and you have taken y raised to the power 2. So what is remaining here? 2x now. So in bracket there will be 2x plus 3ay square was there and you have taken ay square common. So in variable nothing is left in the bracket. So keep it simple. Plus from these two terms you can take 5 common because both the numbers are divisible by 5. Now in the bracket you have 5 2s are 10, x plus 5 3s are 15. Now this binomial and this binomial is the common factor. So take it common, 2x plus 3. Now in the bracket you left with ay square plus 5, right? So right here ay square plus 5. This is your answer. Next question number 15. This is axy square plus 3x plus 2a square y square plus 6a, right? Now in these two terms we can take a and y square common. दोनों में हम क्या ले सकते हैं? a and y square common ले सकते हैं, right? So I will keep them together. axy square plus 2a square y square plus 3x plus 6a. From first two terms I am taking a and y square common. In the bracket you have taken a from this term, y square you already have taken, so what you left with? Just x will remain in the bracket. Plus from this term you have taken a common, so 2 will remain same. This was a raised to the power 2, आपने a की power 1 ली है ना, so this will remain a raised to the power 1 and you also have taken y square, so no need to write it, and a raised to the power 1 can also be written as a, so write it simply 2a, right? Plus from these two terms you can take 3 common because both the numbers are divisible by 3, so take 3 common. X will remain in the bracket plus 3 2s and this variable a, right? Now this x plus 2a is the common binomial factor, so take it common, x plus 2a. In the bracket we left with ay square plus 3, so right here ay square plus 3. So this is your answer. So students, with this question your exercise 6C is completed. Lot of practice is required in these questions. Although these are very simple questions, but still we need some practice. So do practice as much as possible. In next class we will start next exercise. Till then keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.